What's up, peeps? Yeah, man. Yeah, boy, sports around the clock here again. Now, today is a big day in terms of football. When you look at the recent history between Liverpool and Chelsea, then you know that this game should be a cracker. But the big story for today is that Lukaku has been dropped from the Chelsea squad. There will be no Lukaku for Chelsea today, and that is because of his recent interview, I'd want to think. Of course, Lukaku was not happy with the situation at Chelsea, and as such, he came out and he did an interview. And with that interview, we hear where Lukaku was saying that the boss, which is Thomas Tuchel, has decided to play a different formation. But he was saying that, it's difficult for him to adapt to a different situation from the one that he's coming from in Italy when he was playing for Inter Milan. But he's saying that he will have to stick to it, right? Because of the whole fact that it doesn't matter the formation that the coach plays. If it is that you want to play in the squad or you want to play in the team, you'll have to adapt to that formation. But this is a big story, and it is something that is big in England and in Italy, because when you look at it, Chelsea would have brought back Lukaku to the club for 97.5 million euros, and it would have made Lukaku now the most expensive player or the most expensive signing in the history of Chelsea. And to have your most expensive signing in the history of the game, in the history of the club, really, and he's not playing because of things that he has been saying to the press. You hear where the coach Thomas Tuchel is saying that this is noise that he does not want. This is noise that his team does not want, because recently the team has been dropping a lot of points. And you cannot be joining so much match or dropping so much points in this season or this part of the season, because now is the time where you want to maximize on the teams that you play in terms of getting maximum points. Because of course we know that Manchester City is almost like they want to run away with the title. So today is a serious game, or today is a game where should be a make or break for Liverpool or even Chelsea, because any one of them that win this game today, then they will make another stride closer to Manchester City. So today will be a game where should be of high interest from both Chelsea fans and Liverpool fans. Now, looking at it from the Chelsea's perspective, you can understand why Thomas Tuchel would have removed Lukaku from the squad, because being the highest or being the most expensive signing in the squad, it means then that the players in that dressing room will be looking up to you and saying to themselves, or even looking and saying, you are the most expensive signing in the club, so you shouldn't be coming out saying that you're not happy with the situation that's going on at Chelsea. One of the things that I think is really eye catching is the whole fact that Lukaku would have left Inter Milan prematurely. Right, so leaving the club prematurely, and then you're coming to Chelsea and you're not performing as you were performing when you were Inter Milan, then it becomes a difficult for not just only for the club but also for the player, because he would have used to a system where you would have been playing in a system where Inter Milan would use two forward in a 4-4-2 formation, and coming to Chelsea is a difficult situation because we know Thomas Tuchel like to play with a back three. He would have played with five across the middle of the pitch and Lukaku alone up top. So it's difficult for him, not scoring as many goals as he would have wanted to, or as he would have been used to while he was in Italy. But he's saying that he's now in a physically good position or condition, because while he did this interview, I think he was injured. So he really is not happy with the situation that's going on now. You hear him saying that I'm just not very happy with the situation, but that's normal for him. And he think that the boss has to decide to play a different formation, but he have to just stick with it and see how best he can adapt to the situation and to just behave professionally and to just do his job. He's saying that he is not happy with the situation, but it's my job, or should I say, it's his job, right? And he must give everything that he have in order to help the team back to winning ways, or should I say, put the team back on top in terms of trying to get Chelsea to win another title. So Lukaku absent today. No Lukaku in the squad today. So let us see how that will pan out. I think personally that Liverpool will get the better of Chelsea, particularly because Lukaku is also out. This interview has been making rounds on social media and all over the press. It may have a negative impact on the players, as well as it could have a positive impact on them as well, depending on how the players take it, because this could be a motivating factor in order to get the team to play well and to do well to beat this Liverpool team, because this Liverpool team also doesn't really look good from the back. Virgil van Dijk, when he's not in the back line, then it's a whole different team, and we're seeing where Sadio Mane really not scoring a lot of goals as he used to. He's on a 4-match drought. Usually, Mane would score in every other game, or maybe, a run of games consecutively. But right now, I think it's even Steven. I think the Chelsea team and the Liverpool team, anybody can take it. But I personally would want to think that Liverpool will get the better of Chelsea today, as well as, Chelsea may just turn up and surprise the world, because they still have a good team, they still have a good squad, they still have very good players in the team. And even though I think Liverpool will win this match today, I think Chelsea still can take it. I still think that, if we ever join this game, then nobody should be able to complain, because at the end of the day, I am sure all the players will give off their 100% or their utmost best in order to achieve the best result. But it is sad what's going on down there in Liverpool, with the whole fact that Jurgen Klopp will not be on the sideline today because he's out due to COVID protocols. I think he would have had COVID, and as such, the team now really will go today without Jurgen Klopp on the sideline. And of course, you know how much a team that has a coach like that will perform when he's on the sideline, because he's very animated on the touchline, and he really strives to get the best from his players, depending on the situation. If they're winning comfortably, of course, you will see him a little bit more relaxed on the sideline. During the game, he'll be very animated, especially if they're losing, because he wants to get the best out of his team. So let's see how today's game will go. Even though Inter Milan really regret the fact that, well, I don't think they regret the fact that they would have let Lukaku go to Chelsea. But I think Lukaku would be the one really who is regretting the fact that he would have moved to Chelsea, because on his mind, he thought then that if he should leave Inter Milan, it would be for a club like FC Bayern Munich or Real Madrid, or maybe even Barcelona. I think maybe he would like to play his trade down there in Spain as well. But he still loves the fans down there in Italy. He said that he will always love Inter fans, and he wish and hope to play for them again. He really fell in love with Italian football and the fans down there in Italy. So his move from Italy to England, from Inter Milan to Chelsea, was really one that he for himself think that maybe he would have made a mistake in terms of the timing of the move, because at the time when he left Inter Milan would have won a championship. They would have been doing exceptionally well. They would have been winning trophies. And he left, and they're still on top down there now in Italy. So let's see what goes, and let's just hope that the fans will find some love for him again, because I think the fans would have said that because of how he left, he should just stay in England. They don't welcome him anymore down there in Italy. So let's just hope that in the future he will have his heart's desire, because his desire is to go back to Inter Milan to go back to Italy to play for Inter Milan. So guys, just like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if there's a team or if there's a player that you want me to review, and I can review that for you.